How to use the Cashback app. There are a couple of ways to use this app. I can use the search function to find a particular merchant. I can use the geographic locator function to find merchants close to me, as long as my location services in phone settings is on. I can use the digital version of my cashback card to have my purchases registered, so I receive my member benefits of cashback and shopping points. I can shop online as well, just as I would with any other app, except this way I receive my member benefits of cashback and shopping points for my purchases. So let's explore these functions. First of all, I want to search for a particular merchant. Tap the magnifying glass top right to be able to type in the search field. Type in what you're looking for. I'm typing in restaurant. Slide down to see what takes your fancy. Thai food sounds nice. 3% cashback, 2.5 shopping points. There's the postcode and the suburb name. Sounds good, let's go there. Tap the Thai Emerald area. It opens up. Here's the information tab. Read the description. If you're looking for a great night out with family, friends or your partner, our restaurant would love to give you an authentic Thai restaurant experience. Okay, that sounds great. Then tap on Contact tab. Here are their contact details, opening hours and address. Tap on the Deals tab. These are shopping point deals that Thai Emerald is offering. There are no deals offered here at the moment. Tap on Locations tab. There's one location for this restaurant. Let's tap within the Thai Emerald restaurant area there. Then tap on the Directions button and it links into Google Maps and works out how to get there. Let's say I hop in my car and go to Thai Emerald, have a meal. When I go to pay for my meal, I tap on the person icon, bottom right, so the digital version of my cashback card comes up on screen. It's scanned at the cash register, so my purchase is registered and I receive cashback and shopping points for my purchase. The merchant has the facility at their end to register my purchase with my cashback card. I pay by credit card or cash or however else I was going to pay, and then scan my cashback card. While I'm sitting at the restaurant, I'm thinking about my next trip and which travel agent can I get my cashback with. I type in travel to the search field. I tap on Freedom Road Travel, the information tab, and read the description. Freedom Road Travel caters to all your travel needs. I then click on the Contact tab, the opening hours, the contact phone number, the email, and their address. Their location, they're in Brisbane in Queen Street. So I can either send them an email or ring them up sometime tomorrow. Now I'm going to use the geographic locator function to find merchants close to me. Tap the Google pin icon top right. Slide down. Ooh, I rather like chocolates. The information tab, the contact tab, and the directions on how to get there. I need some new tyres for my car. Tyre experts are nice and handy. Information tab, locator tab, and directions button. That's how to use the Cashback app. Thanks for watching.
Get ready, get set, get ready, get set, let's go. Together we stand, this is not